Once again, my name is Ronald. Welcome to Primary 4 Integrated Science, week 3, lesson 6. Today, we are looking at the liver as one of the body organs in the body. So the liver is found in the upper part of the abdomen or abdominal cavity. And here is the structure of the liver. When you look at our structure of the liver, we find the liver is surrounded by many blood vessels. One of the blood vessels we use found the liver is what we call a hepatic artery. Hepatic artery helps to carry blood containing oxygen to the liver. Then we have hepatic vein. Hepatic vein, for it carries blood containing carbon dioxide or deoxygenated blood from the liver. Then the liver has a part called a gallbladder. The purpose of the gallbladder is to store the bile. Then we have the bile duct. This one transports bile from the liver to the gallbladder. So let's look at our uses of the liver. Before we look at the uses of the liver, we have the gallbladder here, which have said stores bile. And this is our gallbladder on the diagram. Whenever you see the structure of the liver, there's this part which is ever drawn on top of it. That's what we call the gallbladder. And the purpose of the gallbladder is to store bile. Now, what are the importance of the liver? Or the functions of the liver in our body? One, the liver regulates blood sugar. When the blood sugar goes high, it's not the work of the liver to regulate, such that the blood have enough, or the body have enough sugar. Not too much and not too little. Then the liver also produces bile. This bile is very important during the digestion of food, as we shall look at it in primary 5. Then the liver also removes poisonous substances like alcohol. So it detoxifies this alcohol in the body. Some of the people take alcohol. When the alcohol reaches in the body, it is absorbed in the stomach and is taken to the liver. Once it reaches the liver detoxifies or make it non-harmful or harmless. It becomes harmless. So it removes that poison in the alcohol. And also the liver produces heat. For you to feel that heat in the body, it is the work of the liver that produces that heat. Then liver also stores iron, glycogen, and vitamin A and D in the body. When we talk about glycogen comes as a result of having excess glucose in the body, what we call sugar, that blood sugar. When the sugar in the body is too much, that sugar is converted into the food called glycogen and is stored in the liver. So when your blood sugar goes high, the liver removes some and converts it into the glycogen, which is stored in the liver. Then diseases that affects the liver. We have one called hepatitis. We have heard about hepatitis B, and very many people have been immunized against hepatitis B. So this hepatitis B is basically taking unboiled water. So it's a waterborne disease. If you take unboiled water, you are more likely to get hepatitis, and it affects the liver. Then we have liver cancer. We have ever heard about cancer. Cancer can affect any part of the body. So it can also affect the liver, and we call liver cancer. We have liver cirrhosis. This one is read as cirrhosis. So it's liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis affects the liver, but it's caused by drinking too much alcohol. When you have high consumption of alcohol affects the liver and causes the disease called liver cirrhosis. Then we have liver abscess. With the liver abscess, this is an infection of the liver where the liver gets a hole, and this hole is filled with pus, amasira. When that pus comes to the liver, we say that liver is suffering from liver abscess. Then how can we now care for our liver, for it to function very well? One, we can avoid drinking too much alcohol. As we see that alcohol is very dangerous, it can cause liver cirrhosis. We can now avoid alcohol to ensure that we have a healthy liver. Then have a balanced diet. A balanced diet is very key in our lives. Every body organ we are talking about, we see we need to have a balanced diet. Then boil water for drinking. You are supposed to boil water for drinking to avoid the hepatitis B. Then that maybe we can also have physical exercise. Do physical exercise regularly so that your liver, your lungs, your kidney can function very well to avoid problems in the body. So members, after here we have the activity which is in our notes there. I expect you to answer those questions and bring the books for marking at school. We shall be there to mark them and give you the correction. Thank you for listening. We meet in the next lesson. I remain Mr. Ronald, science teacher.